और कपाती सी टीवी
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabari kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines but kiwe de kiri kidi ki top medical colleges but ru hakador babiang
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka tip brew tip blind. I don't know if it's making sense. Ka tip brew tip blind. If you want to know God, know man first. Meaning, to know man is to know God. So if you really are keen to live your life with the blessing of God, live with knowing man. So I salute Khasi people for this one brilliant guiding wisdom that we've heard.
Menteri jong Sarkar Pedeng ka bakhmi ya katanat Platengka ka Nirmala Sitharaman. Kala Kren Shillong da kakhtien Khasi yaki kentien shong sbai ka jaj mreu Khasi ki baong ka tip breu tip lei ka mai ya ka hok ka tip kur tip kha ka bhalang ka imlang ka meiram o kirengko ki basa Hadien ka Jingyalang bala play yaki Projek beper Kabalalong Hilarity International Center for Performing Arts and Culture New Shillong haga khatwai tarik unaitung arajar arpusan ka Sitharaman kabalawan jingo na gabenta saus ngi kenti ya ga jela Meghalaya kalaya ro ru yakini ki kentian shong sbai jong ga jait mreu Khasi bat kala ong ru bakan sakan show yaki kum ki kentian emsngi ki balong ki jinghikai bakongsan haga imlang kasalang jong ki para brio.
So, Khasi, Chaintia and Kharo. Khasi people, in their local wisdom, have given something which is absolutely essential for today's development. Particularly when globally we are talking about sustainable development. In the G20 we spoke about one earth, one family. We also speak about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Entire world is one family. We also say sustainable growth and climate action. Unless these values, which Khasi people have given us, are imbibed in every one of our policy making, so that we respect people, we respect communities, we respect the environment, we leave the environment as pristine as we inherited for the future generation, and above all, be ethically conscious and remain to showcase our integrity, both of purpose and of values that we do. So I was very hesitant, but I wanted to say that this is a message which I've imbibed from the Khasi people. Pardon me for my pronunciation, but I'd like to take this opportunity when the entire cabinet of Meghalaya is here, people of Meghalaya are before me. I'm taking a risk in the pronunciation, but I utterly value these 5 great principles. They are very consistent with what India and globally all of us are doing. Ka tip brew tip blind. I don't know if it's making sense. Ka tip brew tip blind. If you want to know God, know man first. Meaning, to know man is to know God. So if you really are keen to live your life with the blessing of God, live with knowing man. So I salute Khasi people for this one brilliant guiding wisdom that we've heard. I hope you're not laughing at the pronunciation. But ka kamai ya ka hok is very important to me. You earn righteousness, meaning doing business with integrity actually resonates with the core of responsible, sustainable business practices. So we are trying to build businesses, we want FPOs, we want to sell our pineapples, and we want to reach the world with all the great artisanry that we've got here. But we also have to earn righteousness for all this to succeed. And that has to get infused in the policy making that we do. So that is something, again, I bow to the Khasi language for having given that virtuous line. The third, katip kurtip ka. I hope I'm all right. Respect for kinship and community. So unless the essence of what all of us are doing is reflective of the respect that we have for our relatives, for our people, for our community, from where we grew, from where we learned our values and virtues, what use is it if I succeed? So, ka tip kur tip ka. We have to respect kinship and community. And again, thanks for the wisdom of the Khasi people for having come up with these golden words. The next, ka balang ka imnan. I'm okay? Ka balang ka imnan. Meaning what you do should be for the common good. You cannot be so righteous, or you cannot be so clever, or you cannot be so successful that you succeed, but you succeed at the cost of somebody else. You succeed, but your community gets nothing of it. You succeed, but it's not for the common good, it's purely for your selfish good. No, Khasi people have in their wisdom said, do what is for the common good. Of course you do for your good as well. But do for common good is a foundational principle, which is what is today's sustainability, shared prosperity. You get all this from the Western world today. They tell you that every policy, unless it is going to be for the common good, we shall not fund from the World Bank, we shall not fund from so and so and so on. In very many different ways they say it. But isn't that the wisdom of the Khasi people? Is it something new for us? Didn't we know about it? But when it is being reminded, we have to doubly remind ourselves that that's all right. We respect that. But our people have said it here in the Khasi land. Our people, our headmen have told this to every villager. Our people have said this among one another. Our youth may be in a hunger to move forward so that they can achieve their goals. But the wisdom of our people cannot be forgotten. We have to remind ourselves that wisdom of Khasi language. And the final point is Me Ramu. And there's something else, one more bit. Ki ringkau ki basa. Reverence for nature. Absolutely important in this day and age when we are talking about climate action. There's no point if we forget to respect nature. That's what has given us the blue sky, the green, valleys, the mountains with the wonderful trees, the wonderful freshwater streams, the lakes, the beauty of Meghalaya, the clouds. You're passing through clouds every day. What fortunate people to live in Meghalaya. Breathing fresh air, drinking water which quenches the thirst. I cannot but every time I drink water in Meghalaya say this. Water quenches thirst in Meghalaya. There are places where I drink water, it fills my belly, but no, thirst is still there in my tongue. Beautiful state, beautiful people, wonderful blessing of the nature, and that's why you have said in your language, respect nature. Mai Ramyu ki rinko ki basa. Wonderful message. I'm sharing your message to you. Pardon me if it is some kind of a transgression, but this is what I think I would take away home, because these are messages which are very relevant for today's governance, and the ancient wisdom of the people of this land is relevant even today for all of us. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.